Welcome back to my channel. This is my 2006 Jeep LJ.
Morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you. Most of y'all, if you're in the Jeep community, you probably follow Matt's Off-Road. Great recovery videos. One of these days, maybe I'll get stuck out in Utah and have to call Matt. A little while back, Matt had a sale on his recovery gear. And I want to tell Matt, thank you for putting everything together in a bundle kit to make it easier to pick and choose. I did pick the ultimate kit just to kind of get a little bit of everything. This is not sponsored. Just felt that it was good recovery gear and I might as well get it for myself. That way I know I have it when Scrap Metal Jr. gets out there, and hopefully I don't need it. And if I do use it, it's on somebody else. Anyway, we're going to unbox this. We're going to see what all came in the kit. Kind of go through, figure it out, bag it up, get it ready for the Jeep. We are making progress, in case you can't tell. You'll see more of that after a while. So let's get this opened up. I've been sitting on it for a good month. Haven't touched it. Been wanting to get into this. So let's see what we get. First thing I see, right on top, we got a nice soft shackle. Yankum ropes, 7/16, 10 inch, 45,500 pounds. Bright yellow rope. Haha, got me a Matt's Off-Road Recovery sticker. That's going to find its way on the Jeep. One box. Got some winch rope protection sleeves. Another box. Nice Velcro patch. Thank you. And a recovery bag to keep everything in. Let's double check. Matt's recovery rope sticker. Let's get rid of this box. Nice bag dedicated to recovery. There. Any guesses what's in this box? That's my guess. Could be wrong. T-shirt. MORR. And it's even signed. Thank you. And that's Off-Road Recovery hat. No, I don't do flat bills, in case you're wondering. And I don't leave stickers on either. There we go. This should be Matt's straps for when I put the Jeep on the trailer. I can secure it and take it to my events. There we go. Matt's straps. MattStraps.com. Another sticker and a QR code to buy more stuff. More line protectors. When I get scrap metal done and get it up on the trailer, we'll go through and use these to get everything wrapped up. Matstraps.com. MORR. I know we had another batch of MORRs go out in his last sale. Take a look at that. Give me a nice shirt. We'll get them out. I haven't seen him fail yet, so he does a good job. Big enough bag to hold the rope. We're going to put a few more things in there. I want to order a few more soft shackles. One's just not going to be enough. Excellent. Thank you again for coming to visit. We're going to get back to working. The weather's beautiful today. I want to try to get this thing done. Got a couple events coming up. Christmas coming up. I am taking vacation to try to get this thing done by New Year's. We'll see what we can do. Y'all have a good one. Be safe. We'll see you soon.
Didn't even get to bronze.